Let's go. Alright guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 strategies on how to become very profitable. These are basic strategies, very basic strategies that I'm sure most of us knows about this strategy. But if you watch this video to the end, I promise you are going to become very profitable because I'm going to be going deep into all these strategies, very deep. And secondly, I want to also celebrate all my Muslim followers. Today is a holiday, a very special holiday to you all. I do not know how to pronounce it. I don't want to be offensive in any way, but I celebrate all my Muslim brothers and sisters. Thank you. Let's go straight to the video. The first strategy, the number one strategy, is to follow the trend. You understand? A lot of traders are always trying to catch a sniper entry. That's what I mean by sniper entry is trying to catch the price at the tip of the reversal. That's what we call a sniper entry. That's what a lot of traders are always focused on, to be perfect. There's no perfection in trading, for real. So the first strategy for me given to you is to follow the trend. Okay, what I mean by follow the trend is follow the trend. You understand? Because I don't think the probability of you losing a trade when you follow the trend is very less compared to when you are trying to catch the reversal of a trend. Because right now in this trade, AUD USD, as you can see, let's go to the 1 hour. I don't know, my network is a bit sloppy. Okay. 4 hours. 4 hours will be better. Alright, as you can see, currently we are on a downtrend. At first, initially, it was buying. You can see the trend was going up initially, but now currently we are on a serious downtrend. There's a reversal here. This displacement is what caused the reversal. So what you should be looking for in this market is sells. Serious, what you should be looking for is sells. Any buy candle that is forming is consider each buy candle as a reversal or a pullback to continue the trend. You understand? So number one is follow the trend. And there are tools you can use in following the trend. You can use the trend line. Obviously, you can see how the trend line works. If there's a retest of price in a certain area, like right now, you can see this trend line here. This one, you cannot call this a trend line unless it has touched at least 2 times. Some people normally say 3 times, but me, I'll use 2 times. This is the first one. You can see this is the second one. Let's zoom it. Yep, you can see this is the first one. This is a trend line. The first one, it touched here. After touching here, it came back, rallied down, went back up, did not break the high of this trend line, respected it the second time, went back down. Going back home, you are going to assume that this is going to touch it. What I'm going to do in this situation is I'm going to mark out the wick of this trend line that was respected the first time. The second time. Once I mark out the wick, I'm going to study price action inside that wick in the lower time frame. What I mean by study the price action is I'm going to add my SMC knowledge, which is if I see a break of structure or a change of character, then a displacement, another block or a fair value gap, I'm trading into it immediately. So that's how I trade my trend lines if I'm trading trend lines. So this, you can see the third time it went and respected it very well and came back down. And also in following the trend, there are a lot of strategies on like trend line. We have the moving average and we also have Fibonacci. I'm going to explain more of that in another video I'm going to create. Now the second strategy is master a strategy. I've listed 3 strategies right now: the Fibonacci, the moving average, and the trend lines. Master at least one of them. Do you understand? So that's the second strategy of becoming profitable. Master one strategy. And we also have a lot of strategies. Not only those 3 I mentioned, we also have support and resistance. Support and resistance is more like trend line, but it's always in a consolidating market. It's always in a ranging market. That's when you can use support and resistance. And also breakout strategy. There are a lot of people that trade breakout strategy. The breakout strategy is when a candle closes above a certain level of consolidation. That's when you will see your entry and take it. Now, number three strategy on how to become profitable is to use your trading journal. A lot of people don't really fancy the use of trading journal, but it is vital in your trading journey for real. If you cannot document your trading from start to finish, if you're a type that always revenge trade or take multiple trades in a day, you have to start using prop firms, because I believe a lot of prop firms right now are actually journalizing your trades. You can go to your profile, your dashboard in the prop firm, and you can see your trade journals. You can see your documentation of trades. Number four, which is very, very, very important, and I don't talk about this much, is risk management. It's not being talked about in the whole space of trading. Risk management is very important. Yes, risk management is very important. It is the, I don't think it should be number four, but it is very important. I'm ranking, okay, if I'm to rank it, I'm going to rank it from the least to the most important. Yes, please, I'm going to be ranking it like that. So number two is risk management. You can say that's your number four. So risk management is very important because it tells that you're treating trading as a business. You're not just treating it as a fun or a game. It's a business. It's actually a business because you're putting in a certain risk. You need to understand a certain risk that you're taking. I need to understand the profit, you need to understand the loss and all. Risk management is a whole topic on its own. I don't want to get into that. And the last but not the least, the number one, which is also the number five in my I hope you understand what I mean. The most important one and the last but not the least is emotions. Control your emotions. That is a strategy, yes. It is a psychological strategy. There are a lot of factors inside this controlling of emotions. Controlling of emotion is you. Yes, you can have the greatest mentor in the whole wide world who can teach you how to catch a sniper entry from the top to the bottom and all. But at the end of it, it's you that's going to be the one to execute those traits for real. So the factors under this controlling of emotion are FOMO and overtrading. Yeah, because most of us cannot get past the fact that you actually analyze the market and analyze the pair, and you saw price not trigger your entry, but it's moving your direction. You'll be like, no, 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 I'm about to miss out. The market is always there. It's not going anywhere. For real. It's never going anywhere. The market know the run. So FOMO is very important to control and not say avoid, because you cannot avoid it totally. You control it. FOMO and overtrading. You take a loss or you make profits. You make like $100 in this trade and be like, wow, I can actually make more. You now start overtrading, or you lose $100 and be like, no, let me make back my $100. That's revenge trading. So you have to control your emotions. So those are the 5 strategies I have listed right now to make you profitable. And I'm also in my own journey of going through those 5 strategies. You understand? Because this video is not just for you, it's for me as well. I do come back to my video and be like, yeah, I'm the one that said this. Let me try and rewind. Okay, so thank you very much for 9,600 followers. I mean subscribers. Yeah. And I am very grateful because I have finally gotten the membership program on YouTube, and I'm going to be dropping my videos. I'm going to start creating videos because a lot of people are asking me how to trade. There are a lot of people asking me how to trade, that they want to start from scratch. So I'm going to be dropping my videos there. I'm going to update the community on it. All right, hit the like and follow button in this video. Thank you very much.